Hey there guys, my name is Marquez, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can change the main domain name for your hosting account on your Namecheap. So the first thing that you want to do is that when you're going to come here, you want to press hosting list, and here you're going to have all your hostings. Right now you want to click on this button and click manage. When you're going to click manage, you just want to wait until it loads. And then when you're going to be here, you want to click account actions and change main domain. And what you can do is you're going to write domain right here, and you see what this change means. Duplicate domain names. Your new domain should not exist in this or any other Namecheap started hosting account. Okay. Resign from your previous domain name to your new one. And then you're going to click I understand, agree. You're going to write the domain and change now. So that's pretty much it, how you're going to do it. If you can have any questions, guys, let me down below in the comments. And also, what you're going to do is then, like, see it right here. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.